days, or so many months, or even years for a tree to grow. In spite of the heat of the sun or heavy rains, our faith was always there, that the tree that we have planted will indeed grow and bear good fruits. In the same way, we, the grade 6 pupils of Mother Teresa School, in spite of many assignments, projects, activities, class recitations, quizzes, examinations, and the everyday challenges we face in school, we still hope that one day we will accomplish everything a grade school pupil must accomplish. We did our little sacrifices too, like burning the midnight candle during session tests and quarterly tests, giving up using our tablets and iPads, limiting our time to play games and watch TV, and even limit the schedule of chatting time with our friends on the net. However, the sacrifices were all worth it. Now is the time, the harvest time, a day of accomplishments, our graduation rites, and our graduation certificates. Thank God for the good soil, our very own school, Mother Teresa School, who helped us grow and become the good fruits we are today. As one of the awardees of this graduating batch, I can say that our achievement is not ours alone. Whatever achievements we have today, we owe it to our dear teachers as well. Our teachers who sacrifice a lot for their pupils, giving us most of their time even after class, when they could have spent it for themselves or with their loved ones. Dear teachers, your hard work to be faithful to your vocation did not go waste. We would like to share with you whatever honor we have, because you are the one who guided us in our journey during the grade school life. Thank you for all your efforts. Thank you for all the pieces of advice when we did something wrong, because we feel that is your way to show how much you love us, and we will never forget you and all the happy moments we've shared. We will miss you all, dear teachers. Hope to see you around during family days. To our second parents at MTS, Mr. and Mrs. Kiriba and Mrs. Soriano, we would like to acknowledge all your support in setting a high standard of learning. Thank you for all the efforts that you have made for our institution, for providing us facilities that we can effectively use in our school grounds, and improving the facilities, all for the convenience of us, your students. And most especially, I know fellow pupils and our dear parents will agree. Thank you for your understanding and patience, even if sometimes we are delayed in our payments and have not kept our promises every quarter. This did not hinder the school from providing us the best education and memorable experiences that we shall treasure. We will pray to God that He will give you long life so that you may continue with your mission to provide quality education in the generations to come. We are offering today's achievement to our loving parents, to Papa, Mama, Daddy, Mommy, Tatay and Nanay. Thank you very much for working hard to support our financial needs and fulfill your obligations to us as our parents. We know that it is never easy to be a parent, but we thank you for your time when we needed you most. Thank you for your assistance when we have projects, assignments, and even being present during our school activities. Even when you are tired from work or not feeling well, you are still there for us. We know that this honor is not enough for all for your sacrifices and hardships, just to show how much you care and love us. But we humbly ask that you accept our simple and little gift, our grade 6 graduation certificates. We will try our best to be the ideal son or daughter to you. We love you and thank you for your selfless love. And to our alma mater, Mother Teresa School, you are God's gift to us. Thank you for our great school years. We are grateful for all the things that you have done. Thank you for instilling values, good character, love for our family and country, and a strong faith and trust in the Lord. MTS will always remain in our hearts and minds, whatever we may become someday, and wherever we may go in the future. Thank you for molding us to be a better person, a true pabedan. Just like today graduation team, hindi natitinag ang pusong Pilipino. Mga kamag-aral, nawa ay mapanindigan natin ang hamon na huwag matitinag sa anumang pagsubok na ating haharapin sa mga darating na mga taon. Patuloy nating pagyamanin lahat ng ating natutunan na siyang gagabay sa ating tamang landas. Mabuhay ang pusong Pilipino! Mabuhay ang MTS! Mabuhay ka, Pubedan! It's more fun in the MTS! Magandang hapon at maraming salamat po.